Here you go.
It's so sad how monkeys die each year from just neglect alone. If you send us $29.95 each day, we will buy each monkey 1/100,000th of a banana. Just think what you could be doing for these monkeys. Save a monkey and support our foundation.
Here we come, walk down the street, get funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing, put anybody down.
I love monkeys!
What I to do.
Honk if you love monkeys!
Get them down to get restless. It's always something new. Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say.
Just one honk per day, you could be saving a poor innocent monkey's life. That's all it takes. Why are you waiting?
Just look over your shoulder.
What are you waiting for?
Guess who's standing there? People say we monkey around.
They just saved the
We're
monkey's
too
life.
busy singing.
What
Put
about the
anybody
monkey?
down.
Beat it, kill! Here comes that woman back, man. Face the whale and the monkey.
Yeah, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing. Put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch, sing and play. We're the young generation. We've got something to say.
Now.
Hi, I'm Amazing Aaron. You may know me from such YouTube videos as unboxing my Xbox 360 Elite and unboxing Kellogg's mini